Is everything. Is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Yo, what's up? No, I'm just playing, but I'm taking out my braids that I've had in my hair for a week. They're a hot mess. I really need to wash my hair, but listen, I do not got time. So we're just gonna take these braids right on out, and that's what I'm doing here. And this is what my hair is looking like. It's really oily, and I just need to wash it, but that's okay. So I'm going to be using this olive oil gel that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. I really like it. And then these are the hair ties that I'm going to be using. This gel actually works really well. It dries super fast. I think that's what I like about it the most. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and button my hair. So my hair was already previously oiled, so I didn't need to coat my hair underneath the gel. But yeah, so I'm just putting my real hair into a little bun. Look at my hair growing and flourishing. Okay, fro. I'm just smoothing my hair up with a little bit more gel, and I'm going to use the Got to Be Glue Free Spray to get my flyaways up and everything, because you know, with curly hair, natural hair, it's hard for it to stay up. And then I'm going to use my satin scarf and sleep overnight. So this is the next day. I'm dancing. Hey, go girl, what's up? No, but this is what my hair looks like. It is really sleek and slick. The gel did a really great job. So I'm just going to be using this crochet hair that I have left over from when I did my crochets. I separated it, and I'm just going to take my little elastic band, and I get these from the beauty supply store for like $1, and I'm just going to lay the hair right across it and then pull it through. You guys have seen me do this before. I will have a link to the hair in the description box below, but you can use whatever hair you got at home to create your bun. I just wanted to get rid of this hair, so that's why I'm using it today. I'm just going to separate it a little bit more to get it a little bit more full before I go ahead and do my donut bun. And I'm just wrapping my hair around like you guys see, and then I'm going to pin it in place. So while you're pinning your hair, you can just pin it how you want it to look, and then flip it out, get it to the shape that you like. I'm going to spray some oil sheen on my hair because gel can make your hair look really dull, and I decided to add a bandana because I just like them. I got this one from my beauty supply store, and this is the finished look. The bun is popping, super cute and sleek, perfect for summer and before wash day. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!